I wanted to jump in and do a quick video and talk about bullets. And specifically, how can you use these bullets in your programs like Funnel Gorgeous or GoHighLevel or any of these funnel building programs out there? First of all, let me just do a quick little recap of why bullets are so important. People skim, they don't read. So when we make it easy for them by using very succinct, crisp little bullets, they can quickly skim over that information and get the point of what you're offering. Now, right now, I'm inside of a program called GoHighLevel / Funnel Gorgeous, FGF. There's a bunch of companies out there that white label it. And what I'm going to show you is couple of ways you can create bullets. So I'm hovering over this and you see that I have a column, a 2-column. So over here on the left side, I'm just saying bullet points, things to remember. And then I have a little window on the right side to add my element. So I'm just going to click on add element, and right here is the bullet list. So I'm going to add that, and you see it automatically gives me the check mark, and it says here's some, the first line of stuff. I'm just going to add 2 or 3 more here. Now, couple of things. One, you'll see how the text is kind of scrunched up a little bit. What I like to do is while this element is selected, or you can always just hover over, you see how it changes colors. You want to make sure that you're in the orange section. Sometimes I click the gear shift just to make sure that I'm on that section. If we come over here to the left, what I want you to do is go to Advanced up here, the little Advanced tab, and see how it says line height as 1. If you slide this over just a little bit, do you see how it just gives you a little more padding in between each one? Makes it so much easier to read that text. Now, the second thing is go back to your General tab, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see where it says icon. If you click here in the middle, then you can find the icon. Now, some of the icons, they're just not always obvious, I guess. So I might say instead of the check mark, maybe I want an X. So if I just type in here where it says search X or search icons, I could just type an X. And I can find some little X's. Here's an X here that's not too bad. So let's say I'm doing a comparison, do this, don't do that. Then that's how I would change it. All right. Is that making sense? So there you go. Now, the other thing you can also do, notice everything is in black. Well, let's say that I'm changing the color of my text to a different color here. So I'm just going to change it to blue. It's kind of hard to see. Did I change it to blue? Let me change it to red. Okay. Now, if I want the icon color to change also, I just slide down a little more. Here's the icon color, and I'm going to change that to red. And there you go. Now, I'm going to share one more way that you can create some awesome looking bullets here. Okay. Now, in this example, I went ahead and paused my video and just created another example for you. And in this one, what I've done is I've actually brought in an image. So if I really wanted to spice up my bullets, you could bring in an image, and instead of using the bullet list image here, what I did was when I hover over it, you'll notice that this is actually now 3 columns in this little row. So this was 1 column, this was a 2nd column, this was the 3rd column. So what I did was I just set everything the way I wanted, and then I just duplicated. You just come up here and you just get on the blue, you just copy, copy, copy all the way down. Now, the advantages of this is you can make it as cute as you want with the button. The disadvantages, you do need to play around with, the sizing of everything, the placement. You can make those as big as you want. And then if I wanted text just on this one, but not on these other ones, I would just come here and I would just delete the text. And then it kind of looks like the hanging paragraph. All right, hope that helps.